I am talking on my video, which is going to go. Okay. Now I'm starting it. We are gathered here today in order to discuss our New Year's resolution. अरे नहीं इस तरफ करो और बटन है वहाँ पे. Yeah. I think so. इसका नीचे का वो रबर हट गया. वैसे उछल के बाहर तो नहीं आ जाएगा. कुछ ऐसे ही. Hold on. हमने क्या कर दिया? अरे this will be on the other camera. अरे I'm using it back. This is the front camera. अरे this was on. Wait, hold on. Oh, take this also. अरे अटक गया. सच्ची में अटक गया तो. Okay, now check. Why was it check?
Check.
Was it check?
Check 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, okay.
We are here.
Are we visible?
Where are we?
You're inside my. You're sitting on my couch.
Doing what?
Ah! Oh wait, we should show it. We should make it fart on the audience.
Give me Mr. Panda.
They are supposed to see it. Let me do my fashion first. And then I look like this thing. You know when I do so much fashion, and last of all,
Lydia's fashion.
and last of all, I look like I should start putting more effort at dressing up on the. Okay, so. Hi guys. So okay. So.
What? No.
Are we both inside the frame? You in?
Lydia.
We should put a bell on its collar.
हाँ वरना भाग जाएगा ना वो.
Wait, pandas, do they run? They got like small feet.
They
no?
don't run. They walk.
fart. No, it doesn't fart on nice people.
नहीं, you're
It's
nice.
nice people.
You're nice.
Yeah. Have you seen a better person? Obviously, no, you haven't. Because, okay. So, we are over here today.
Lydia and Mr. Panda are exposed.
Okay. In order, this is actually my boyfriend. I cannot even like tell you how she's taking it away.
I stole
from me.
Lydia's point.
Yeah. So we are here today in order for. Okay. Let us make it more scripted. Okay. Let us write a script down.
Exam.
Should I write? No, should I write a speech? Should I write a speech to save? Should I write a speech on how we should get started?
I'm just trying to imagine video कैसी आएगी.
We are gathered here today.
I'm not saying anything.
We are gathered here today.
क्या बोला?
Mummy जैसा I'm recording a video.
Stop shouting, Lydia.
We are gathered here today.
इधर सलमान खान की shopping काफी.
उसने भी तो काटा था उसको.
किसको?
उसने वो black deer क्या?
Black
panda.
buck.
Black buck को.
Black
panda.
Panda is no mind.
No, wait. We, in order to discuss
Now let's discuss
our New Year's
resolutions.
Yeah, whatever the saying is. Resolution. Okay?
Which like make no
So,
sense.
now I'm starting it. We are gathered here today in order to discuss our New Year's resolution. So, how was it? Was it just silence? Was it Shashwat?
Yes.
Did he just come in my vlog? So, I'm giving you one sheet of paper.
I'm not writing anything.
You have to.
I don't have any resolutions.
You will have to have it for the video today, even though you don't have to follow it like later on.
Look, if I write it, then I'll have to follow it.
Oh, so that's good now.
That's how you're tricking me.
Yeah, no. What? Or maybe. So, which pen do you want? Half of them don't work. They are just for decoration.
Why are they there?
This might work. I put a new refill in this. Okay. New. Write the heading. New.
Why do you have a black pen and I have a blue
Oh,
pen?
you want a black one? This is the only black pen actually. Okay, here. I'll write the blue one.
Should I scribble on the newspaper?
No.
Should I do it, Lydia?
No. It's a nice newspaper. It's pretty. Look.
How should I do it? That's why I don't want to do it.
Yeah, I know
I
you
know
don't.
this man.
I know. This is
And
the
I know him.
La Casa de Papel. I think.
What?
No, he wasn't. This is-
That's Danish Siddiqui, the journalist.
He looks like the professor. Wait, he does look like the professor.
Taliban killed him.
Oh shit.
This turned dark very quickly. Give me the newspaper. What do you read in the news even?
I don't. Who
You
said?
flex
Who
reading
said
that you
that?
read newspapers.
Never.
And then you know nothing.
I never read the newspaper only. Why did I write New Delhi instead of New Year's resolution? New Year's resolution.
My handwriting is shit. I haven't written in so long.
Resolution. I've been writing recently and it's still
I
not.
haven't written.
2022. I've done it. Okay. I've written the heading. Everybody, show your papers to this. Sumaya, write something first fast. New Year's. What the fuck is this spelling? This is not the correct spelling. Oh, that is. Wow, Sumaya, that's a really nice resolution. Anyways, moving on.
The first resolution is India is shit.
That is not a resolution. That is a
That's
thing.
an
You know what
affirmation.
David told me? He said that.
No, David.
Okay.
Bye bye, David.
Oh, hold on. Wait.
David, go away.
No, I'm not.
Why are you writing his
I'm
thing?
not adding him to the resolution. I'm not adding him to 2022. David, no.
David, no. David को एक cross लगा देते हैं.
Yeah, okay.
No, David.
Yeah, done. Okay. This is the first resolution.
David, no को cross लगाया. Double negative हो गया.
Okay. David, no. Yes.
What's wrong?
Write your first resolution. What is your first resolution? Number one of mine is that I'm not going to discuss anything with David GC. Yeah. Okay. The second one, money. This is your first resolution.
I want money.
Mine should have been better. My second resolution is earn money. This is more needed in my list. Okay. The second resolution. Wait, your first resolution should not have been getting a college. Excuse me.
College I'm getting. अच्छा हाँ. लेकिन college से पहले boards है.
Wait, when are your next boards?
February or March or April. We don't know anything, Lydia.
No, it will be before March. Okay, third resolution. Why is you have to write the second one even?
Look, if I'm writing it, then chances are that I'm probably not doing it. Okay. Actually, I never make plans because I don't
follow them.
I don't follow plans.
That's a good thing.
What's a good thing?
Yeah, I don't follow plans either. That's a nice thing. See, this video was so abrupt. Right? Arey, that was not the... Okay.
No,
Not
I
at all.
should write more. I have to write more because I haven't written in so long. So I need to write because my poetry, that account that we made.
Oh wait, you know what I got to know? This thing. Instagram pe, they changed the algorithm.
Yeah, it's true.
And usme, but the audience that is reading those pages reads these pages as well. Did you get the point? Because
You need to give a shout out to our page.
our page, we poetry it is.
You forgot all the English in you.
Okay, we have a poetry page on Instagram which is called. Sumaya is going to say the name of the poetry page.
You forgot the name?
No, I'm sorry, we are.
No, we
not-
changed it. It's Pencil Puppets.
Oh shit.
It's
Okay.
Pencil Puppets.
It's Pencil Puppets is the name of our poetry page. I will poetry page on Instagram, by the way. I will I will put the @ thing and write it in the following slide. Hopefully you all understood what I was. Anyways, yeah. The third resolution is. The third resolution is. I legit thought you would write sex. I'm not even kidding.
I can
Oh
get
shit! I should write it.
as if writing it is
I'm
going to
turning
get
20.
it.
I'm turning 20 in 2022. I forgot what part if she's still here.
Probably did.
Hopefully not. Okay, my fourth resolution is going to be that I'm going to study. Actually, why don't I look the list? The list is on the phone that I'm recording it, and so I can't.
Wait,
see.
I have.
Oh wait, you have the list, yeah.
Lydia's list is bizarre.
It is not bizarre. It is
Bizarre.
It is actually incredible, but she's just she's not liking it because she wanted to be sour on this video for some reason. Shut up! That don't.
Okay, Lydia's first resolution is not going out.
Oh yeah, not going out was the fifth resolution. Not going out.
Second is staying in.
Those are good resolutions. Shut up.
You wrote it.
Those are nice resolutions. Second is staying in. The third is
Not meeting anybody. Fourth is not talking.
oh this is a good one. Not talking. Actually, I should have written roaming. Actually, because how am I going to make the videos?
You can't make the videos if you're.
But I've made all my videos like, oh, shit, what if she like gets to know? She'll be like, okay.
Fifth is less of social media.
Yeah, I don't use it much, but I use it often.
No, you use it in a way that no one gets to know.
What?
You use it a lot,
No, I don't.
but like in a way that no one gets to know that you're online. So you don't like posts or comments, or you do. And
Yeah, I don't.
Stories,
Because
but you use Instagram a lot.
I just scroll through it. Because
Yeah, and that's using social media.
No, that's not using social media.
That
I don't
counts
use it.
as using social
I don't
media.
use it much.
Acha,
like
I can't even check the hours because the phone is recording.
the hours doesn't.
The amount of hours you spend on your phone.
Oh, the amount of hours I spend on my phone. It's probably like 7. The last I checked was 7. But that is तो online classes से हो जाएगा ना. Online classes I don't even attend now.
This seventh is not drinking.
Oh, not drinking. That's a nice one.
That's a nice one.
That's a difficult one. Actually, it's not difficult. Yeah, okay. Moving on.
Not having food from outside.
Oh, no junk. Alright.
As if you eat.
I don't. But then I recently have had a lot. Like I started suddenly. Like, I don't know what happened. I ate this Moroccan spice pasta pizza from Domino's.
You were addicted.
It was so good. I must have eaten it like 4 times after that.
Oh, that's a lot.
That's a lot. 4 times after that, as in on different days, obviously. But
That's
it happened like
a lot.
Yeah, it happened in 2 months. And I was like, wait, how did this happen? This is not supposed to happen.
You were addicted to a pizza.
Yeah, it was really good.
Ninth is working out.
Oh, working out is important. I went and ran for like 2 hours today. Because I did not go yesterday.
It doesn't make sense.
It does. Because I thought that, oh shit, I became fat. And then I was like, what the fuck?
But you're not fat.
I was thinking that I don't know what happens to me. I look at people and I'm like, what the fuck are you so nice? Like the physique. Anyways, 12.
Learning 2 new skills for internship.
Oh, 2 skills for internships.
Skills like
I mean, it depends on the kind of internship that I'm doing. Okay.
doing an internship and making money.
Doing it, see, I mean, I want to earn money through the internship as well, and through doing the internship. And without earning the money through doing an internship and earning money and doing an internship and work. Okay. Doing an internship and earning money and not doing an internship and earning money.
How are you gonna earn money?
Myself. No, I won't. Okay. I mean, I
Media
wish
is
I
not
could.
up for sale, go away.
Yeah, I'm not. Or am I?
Making 5
I mean-
YouTube videos every month.
Oh,
5?
making 5 YouTube videos every month because there are 5 weeks in 1 month.
There are 4 weeks in 1 month.
Matlab in the month that I was checking, there were 5 weeks. So,
Okay, the last one.
YouTube months every month. What is the last one?
Won't fucking text or follow me, David.
I don't dare David know. That was the first resolution. I was
David,
making.
don't watch this video.
He's probably going to, he watches all the videos and then he's like, you know what we
Does he comment?
He does not. I feel like he's embarrassed of me. Then I feel like, yeah, he has a reason to be though. I was like,
But
I
like
wanna
he's
share-
mentioned so many times in this video, then he'll probably comment.
No, he's not going to. I'm not going to put this part only.
You're gonna
I would. See, the thing is that I decided to not put it and then later I'll be like, this is good for the video. But it is not good for the video. It is not good for anybody.
It's good for you.
It's good. It's just good for me. And then I think that yeah, I'm watching the video. Nobody else is watching it. And then I realize that people are watching it. And then but then I watch. And then I realize that you're very late. Yeah, but anyways, you did not write your list. Now your turn. You have written
I'm not
15
gonna follow it.
Yeah, but you can write it for the video and don't mention that you're not going to follow it inside.
I'm
the
not
video.
gonna follow it.
I'm cutting this part out. This never happened. Anyways. Yeah, continue.
I want to publish a book.
Oh, you want to publish a book? You said you're not writing? Oh, that year. Oh, 2022, the whole year. Interesting.
Good evening, Ajay.
Good evening.
I am making a YouTube video. Don't.
I didn't recognize the.
My mother is calling me.
What is she saying?
I didn't attend her. Ended. Maybe she cut my call.
Oh, that's rude.
Look, I wrote publish an anthology, but I know it's not gonna happen. That's why I wrote it.
You know him.
That's actually really fucking stupid.
Yeah,
Write it and not.
the list
follow
is
it.
stupid.
No, not just follow it. It's very simple.
It's not.
I did last year.
What did you do?
Ran constantly. Do you all know that I'm making a very important video in this room? It is my career. What?
$50 million.
Can you believe it? This is simply talking. I am talking on my video, which is going to go. Okay. इसका नोज ही लगा है हटा दिया हमने
Santa Claus.
No.
He doesn't become Nicholas Cage, Nicholas or Santa Claus.
He look
I'm Santa Claus, Santa Claus. Santa Claus, this year. अपना joke मार रहे हैं.
You didn't know the
joke मार रहे हैं. Where are my slippers?
I thought he only the.
We should go We should go away. It's a cute dog. Dog.
I was
Big
going
dog.
to say-
It's cute. You know what's wrong?
What?
I'm not kidding. I am not. I'll show you. Where is my phone? Is not there. I was like, wait, I'll show you. And then I was like, the fucking towel.
How does the world leave?
Ah!
Why are you spanking it? Small baby.
Oh. Okay. Continuing. The kittens died. Fuck them. Anyways.
That's sad.
Yeah, this is why I'm telling them to fuck off.
Abhi's kitten also died.
I know, I saw it on the story.
Fight!
Really?
Good.
I need to get into a good college.
His cat has come.
That right it there. That is what is important. Okay. I am making a video.
अभी डॉक्टर लेके आई अभी कैट आ गया फिर मंकी आ गया
Yo, why are they so loud? What are you writing, Sumaya? Get a boyfriend or a girlfriend. That's nice.
I'm
Oh shit.
lonely.
I should write that.
I haven't dated in 4
Don't even talk to me about it, okay? Look at me, okay?
You just dated.
I never.
You just did.
Never. When?
Should I start naming them?
I don't remember
We
when I
can
did
make,
that.
you know what? We can make a whole flowchart.
I did.
Of your boyfriend.
I don't have many. Just a couple, you know. Okay. So now
My count must have reached what now?
I don't remember people. I mean, I do remember people, but only who have left an impact on my brain. So we are done with our list. I'm going to be presenting the list. What is the thing called? What is that thing? Like you take the recording, the whole thing?
Montage.
Montage. Yeah. So I'm going to make a montage of this incredible.
Don't.
I will.
No.
Why wouldn't I? Oh, you have to write. You have to sign it even.
I'm not
I'm
signing
giving
it.
my autograph over.
I don't have a signature.
I did. You're not a nice one.
Lydia, I need to get a signature.
Get it. Do it right now.
No, I need to make a signature.
What do you do?
I just write my name. So I need to make like an elaborate,
You don't have to do
beautiful
that.
signature.
Mine's like this. And that's not elaborate or beautiful.
I want mine elaborate and beautiful. I do not consent. You cannot show my list to the whole world.
Oh.
Like 53 subscribers.
Oh, they are 80 now.
53 to 80. That's
Yeah,
that's
yes.
a good start.
That Why is your list increasing? What the fuck? I do not consent. Lydia does not have my permission. She isn't. I told you.
My mother is calling me.
Oh, that's sad.
Hello?
That's bad.
Hello.
Oh. Okay, we are ending the video. Bye. Let me take this thing also. I will give you 10 rupees later. I don't have 10 rupees right now. Smita? Hello. Hi. Hi guys. Are you just farting on me, Smita? With this panda, I mean. Oh, with the panda. Oh wait, I'll do a thing. I'll put a real fart noise instead. Chee, that is gross. Oh god. Bye, Smita.
Good night, Lydia.
Good night, Smita. I'm ending the video.